Okay, start from the beginning. No, start from the beginning. There you go. What's the name?
Libby Bird.
Okay, read the book, Christian, please.
Look at Libby Bird. No nap. Water climbing Grover. Early Grover's taking a nap. He's sitting the side and he's taking a nap.
All right.
What's the one today? Not tiny big bird. No nap. I want to paint a bird. I want the bird to wash his hands, taking his nap.
Okay.
Wow.
Not a little big bird.
Don't say it.
Don't say it? Okay, sorry. You say it.
Tiny big bird. No nap. I want to cover and say take his nap. I just use cozy.
Play hide and go seek? Oh, okay. Nap time, little big bird.
Don't say it, Mommy. Maybe a list.
Oh, okay.
Not tiny big birds. No nap. I want the cookie. I'm really confused. I gotta wake up for the naps. Not tiny big bird. No nap. I just show you this for Bellu.
Betty Lou. Oh.
Belly bye.
He's going Betty bye, little big bird. And now it's time for you to do the same.
But I keep taking naps. And Mommy's something when one does this tiny bird. Everybody's taking a nap now.
Little Grover is taking a nap.
Don't say it.
Don't say it. Okay. A little bird is taking... Oh, sorry. Little bird is taking...
Don't say it.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, sorry.
You did this?
Sorry. Okay, read the book.
Ow.
Oh, you okay? Sorry. Okay, read the book. What does it say? Okay. What's that say? What about what did